some more information which I would like to share with you, Mansi Madam, about the functioning style of Balwinder Singh sir also. When he was president, he has written or reached almost all the chief ministers of all the states and union territory. Now, Biswarup Dada has given full freedom to your Papan Bhai or Papan sir, whatever you call, as the chairman CAT, and I am very glad to inform you that the Punjab chief minister, Assam chief minister, Jharkhand chief minister, Odisha chief minister, Bihar chief minister, Kerala chief minister, Andhra Pradesh chief minister, Karnataka chief minister, Maharashtra government, I mean the chief minister and that skill development, Gujarat, like that this Chhattisgarh, like that it is going on. The list is going on like that. Pondicherry, Puducherry has recently requested us. So they have requested Balwinder sir to come and meet them. That letter is very, very clear to take the youth of that particular states or union territory, which even West Bengal. Maybe I would have forgotten some of the states name or union territories name. Of course, sorry, Himachal Pradesh, then Jammu and Kashmir. We have got so many this thing, and we are in the verge of, in fact, signing a lot of MOU. For your information, Biswarup Dada, Balwinder sir, and our CAT team has been invited by Maharashtra government. Next week, that is coming Monday to Wednesday, they want a date so that they want to sign an MOU so that 2 lakh children within 3 years, they want that youth to get trained. This is the way things are going on, and these are all not just that overnight it will come. It is because of hard efforts and hard work and the communication and the reach we are having. Maybe we are not putting so many photos and other things in the public, or like our members are putting the photos of other institute, whereas our own members are not even ready to accept the hard work and the efforts taken by the elected representatives, be it chapter, be it region, be it overseas centers, or be it council. So the branding, I want to convey through this particular channel before Balwinder Singh sir is going to address all of us, Mansi Madam. Branding comes from that self. Each CMA student should tell that I am smart, I will become a CMA. And each CMA should tell that I am CMA, that is why I am smart. Like that, if they start telling, then there is no question of anybody else telling or making any branding for this thing. No elected representatives need to market or brand for other CMAs. Individual CMAs, individual students, they should have that self-respect that they are a cost and management accountant, they are a CMA, whether they are in members in industry, whether they are practicing, or they are going for a job, or they are going for an interview. That confidence should have in oneself. It is our own friends, our own members who have to see that we are seeing the positive side of each and everything. Yes, definitely as a feedback, the criticisms which they can make, it should be in-house. It should be this thing. Nowadays, the people are telling this is very dangerous. They are doing like that. But the social media, we have seen recent some very important incident that is happening. Why police is taking action? Why the government is very much worried? Because social media is the most dangerous thing where easily somebody can be highlighted, somebody can be tarnished also. So as a professional, whether a member of any profession for that matter, any student of any school or college or university, we should first respect our mother school, our mother college, our mother university, our mother institute. That should be the main thing. Then automatically the branding will start. Rest regarding publicity, visibility and other things, you all might have easily forgotten. But during the COVID situation, how many times in social media, in the newspapers, leading newspapers, including the digital media, we ensured when Balwinder Singh sir was the president, Biswarup Dada was vice president, we have ensured that huge coverage is there. Why our own members are, whether they have noticed or not, when Biswarup Dada travelled all the way to Hyderabad during this pandemic situation just 2-3 days back, he has addressed the press. It has come in various things where he has urged the finance ministry that being one of your child, one of your institute, please also look into the importance of the costing profession. That message is very clear now in all forms of this thing in social media. So people will only see that whether, oh, Biswarup Dada is putting the photo, Balwinder Singh, they never put the photo for themselves. It is we people, the other members in the family, who have to feel proud that our head of the families have done a lot and they are trying to bring a maximum this thing for the future. And here is a dynamic personality, Balwinder Singh sir, whom I know, whom we have seen, as you rightly told, Mansi madam, 3 times, this is third term in the council, most experienced person in our council, third term. And that may be the reason that why he is even now taking care of the youngsters, the youth, giving them also the chance to come out. If they are interested in practice, how I can help, like that he is coming. Most important thing is, we are seeing the drastic change in the country, in the entire world, in this pandemic situation with regard to the job opportunities and other things. Yes, it is high time the youth also understand the so many schemes brought by the government of India, taken care of as an extended arm by the state government and union territory. It is high time that we give some sort of motivation and encouragement to the youth that if need be, why don't you become an entrepreneur? Why don't you go for a startup? Why don't you take the mantra of Make in India concept? So many things are there, right? So this institute is there very much for the profession. See, today we are talking about farmers and other things. I have seen it was Balwinder Singh sir who initiated under his presidentship for the first time. He and Biswarup Dada taught the importance of Internal Audit Assurance Standards Board. First time in the history of the institute after 75 years, Internal Audit Assurance Standards Board was created. That chairman at that time, today our Vice President, CMA P. Raju here, sir, despite being the chairman of Internal Audit Assurance Standards Board, he took the lead to respect the farmers, respect the importance of agriculture. And a mega event was conducted, which was appreciated by the government of India, including Nitin Gadkari and other honorable ministers. We organized a huge successful program in Jamshedpur or Jodhpur or Jamshedpur, the particular place. It was a grand success. The government is appreciating. And take the case of the entire team of council colleagues who are involved in that MSME sector. MSME means organized and unorganized. So many things are there. That has been extended all this thing. So Balwinder Singh sir, if I want to talk about branding, I will tell only one sentence, sir. Each student, each member, whether they have already got CMA or ACMA or FCMA or not, whatever it is, each one should feel that I am today only because of CMA. For additional
surveyed the world's known professional institutes and also lesser known to us both ways. We called the people managing the examinations of the world's largest institutes, known institutes, Canadian, Australian, UK, and even smaller countries, Sri Lanka. And after meeting more than 10 people, more than 13 people, analyzing what is happening in the world, after meeting 13 agencies and looking at how the examinations are being managed by the known professional institutes in the world, and we finally decided to bring in this system here. That system will help in the COVID arena also. Moreover, that system we had planned earlier also, considering our global approach. Now that this now online examination appearing anywhere will support our vision to see that we are present in large number of countries. The foreign student can join our courses. We are the second largest CMA body. We have to spread our wings. Now, what is the support of how it is going to finally helpful? Initially, we were discussing about the employability skill courses which are acceptable in India and foreign, and student is employable. This step of the online examination will bring more visibility of the institute in the world. In India also, it has brought a good visibility because we have been the leader. We are the first among us, the professional institutes, to conduct successful online examinations, online, home-based also, center-based also, both we did it. This examination will further support our going global vision. Talking about our second stakeholder, active work members, so just stopping all the files. Last year, the Honorable Prime Minister was ready for our global summit for inauguration. Only one bunch of a fake letter, fake signature of a member that this institute is a fraud, please don't come here, turned the table. And about 100 pages of rough pages of certain documents, were stapled. These are the evidences. 200, this institute is fraud and fake, please don't get there. And the fake signature were put in, and already FIR has been filed because the member said, I don't reside in India, I never did this. I don't reside in India, I never visited in last number of years, and I never did it. And accordingly, where we reached. On one side, President had to come on 9th January 2020 morning at our global level convention, and just about 3 days before, and this happening has taken. So this type of wrong, falsehood, false emails, false documents circulation to MCA is also very common. MCA is also disturbed. Every second day, some member will write something to the MCA. This is, you cannot control your members. Dear members, you have to look into it. Whenever we visit MCA, we get that feedback. We go for a work, proactive action, and we come back with this type of complaints and solving that complaints. We need to see that members should put before their issues only to the institute, not in the public domain. You have to think over. Unless you stop doing that, how you can think your brand is going to be very high? You have to create your own brand. You have to see that all your issues are sent to the institute, not to the MCA. Second is the quality of services. It's insolvency, and second was valuation. We also have third and fourth company, and the third is on AAT, that is accounting technician course, wherein the chairman is our H. Padraman sir, Papan sir only. Under the AAT, we will be recognizing the CAT qualified student of the institute and bringing them as members in the AAT board, as members of the company, who will be trained and given the CP events under the AAT. They will be members of the AAT company. That is basically the CAT qualified student will be taken to that. And the fourth company we have MARF, that is Management Accounting Research Foundation, wherein the research projects and maybe some special projects are given by the governments or the PSU. One of the biggest project which we got in the last few years was the railway project, performance appraisal in the railways. There was a pilot project to see that how the performance in the railways can be improved. That was given about 3 years back to us, and I'm happy to share, day after tomorrow we are going to submit the final report to the Government of India. That was a research project done by our institute, that is MARF. Under MARF, we are open for all these research projects. Even if you are working in some PSU and other companies, we deal with the companies and PSU in that research projects also. Fine.
Who have joined? Thank you very much, Balwinder Singh sir. Much awaited from your own mouth. The students wanted to listen. That is the year student who have joined before the cutoff date of particular month or year. They are also now going to benefit by this SAP course, this Cambridge course, and other things which has been brought. And to be very honest, Balwinder Singh sir, many of the students were telling that at chapter level or region level, at times computer training was not given, and they were also very happy in getting the nod for having completed without actually undergoing the training. Now there is no other way. Headquarters is organizing. So it is for them to come on a particular time or particular this thing. When they get the pass key and other details from the studies department, they can directly. Only thing is, it is going batch wise. That is, say 6,000 to start with, then next to 6,000, like that. So all the students, now you are very happy, those who are listening or those who will be listening to this particular when it is uploaded in the YouTube. Balwinder sir has made very clear that not even a single student will be deprived of a chance. Only thing is, since the cost is involved, and this particular batch where the course fee is also taking care of that particular training, the earlier students for a nominal amount, if we go for SAP course, Balwinder Singh sir, some of the students were telling, sir, please provide it through the institute, because it is 1/4 or 1/5 of the cost which otherwise a student have to go as an ordinary student to market and do that particular course. Huge fee. So it's a great step from your side. We are very, very thankful for all the initiatives, and not only that initiative taken or decision taken, but the implementation part. So many, many thanks, Balwinder Singh sir, for making it more elaborate and very clear. And also, I am in the council for the second term, but the first time I am seeing that a person who is eligible and applying for ACMA or FCMA, not more than 10 days, that is within 1 week or whatever it is, then and there it is been given. Even for people who are applying for COP, even for this thing, earlier only on Fridays or Mondays it will be submitted to MCA, but then and there when members require that COP renewal or COP this thing linked with this thing, everything has been done. As you said, employees, officials are also doing good work, and only thing is that loyalty, that passion, the lust, and this thing to not only help the council, you told council, my this thing is to the chapters and regions also when they take up the officials from the headquarters, and that is the reason why, dearest respected members, elected representatives who are watching, we always plan to have chapters, national chapters meet once in a while, which happens at headquarters building itself, so that you can also meet the officials. If it is done elsewhere, employees, the officials, HOD of all the departments are also invited for